Hello, welcome to Basira's Kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos. Wafanda kayo sa nunku da zuwa maraba. Yo damu imi ngujia. Today we're making peanut butter soup or groundnut soup as we call it in Ghana. Let's go over the ingredients. I have my oven broiled smoked salmon. No, mackerel. I can't. And this is the smoked catfish from Ghana. It's just to give it a taste. It breaks into pieces in the soup, so it's just for taste. Some tomatoes, 1.5 large onions. You can use 2 mediums. Garlic, I have 5 cloves. Pepper to taste. I have half a cup of ginger and some bay leaves and a teaspoon of anise seeds. I also have tomato sauce, about 16 ounces, is it 15 ounces, and 16 ounces of peanut butter and salt to taste. Now I'll blend all the spices together and add it to the fish in the pot. With the tomatoes. And added, I ended up adding 2 liters of water. And you can add more or less depending on how thick or thin you want your soup. So when it boils, then we'll add them. And I'll add the tomato sauce. Let it boil for about 30 minutes. Catfish. And now I'll add the catfish. I add the catfish later because, as I said earlier, it breaks up in pieces. It's just for flavor. I'm accompanying this soup with rice balls. We call it tuwon shinkafa in Hausa or emutu in Twi. I normally do 1 to 3 parts. 1 part rice, 3 parts water till I get this. You boil it on medium heat. When it boils, you lower it to a low heat and till you get this texture. If you find the texture, the rice is too hard, you can add a little hot water, cover it, and let it soften up a little bit. And traditionally, this is how we serve it. I'm using a calabash now. You have to serve it in balls and it has to be as smooth as possible. And this is how we serve it. So you smoothen the rice and then you scoop it and put it in the calabash, and then you roll it in the calabash and get it as smooth and round as possible. There's the rice ball with the peanut butter soup. Dinner is served. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share and like my videos. Stay safe. Bye.